Ever wondered how you get access to the internet? Well, you connect to something called an ISP, your Internet Service Provider. An ISP or Internet Service Provider is the company that gives you access to the internet. Think of them as a bridge that connects your home network to the larger internet. Popular ISPs include companies like Airtel, Jio, BSNL. They provide you with the necessary infrastructure to connect to the web. How do different devices talk to each other on the internet? Devices communicate using protocols, which are a set of rules that define how data is transmitted. Protocols are like languages that both devices need to understand to exchange information. Some common protocols are HTTP, which you see when browsing websites, HTTPS for secure communication, FTP for transferring files. But the most important protocol that forms the backbone of the Internet is called the Internet Protocol or IP. The Internet Protocol is a set of requirements for addressing and routing data on the Internet. Think of Internet Protocol as the system that ensures data reaches the right destination, just like a mailman delivering letters. IP breaks down the data you send, whether it's a message, video, or file, into small packets, which are essentially small units of data that are transmitted over the Internet. An IP address is an unique identifier assigned to each device connected to a network, enabling it to communicate over the internet. Just as a postal address directs mail to your home, an IP address directs data to the correct device. An IP address is typically written in decimal format, but it's really a set of 32 bits which can be represented in binary. Each of these binary segments play a different role in identifying different aspects of the address. The first section of an IP address points to broader network which can correspond to a country or a specific organization responsible for that block of addresses. The second part narrows it down further to the region within that country or network, guiding the data closer to its intended destination. The third section deals with the subnetwork, identifying a more specific part of the network, like a division within a company or a particular geographic area. Finally, the last segment refers to the actual device on the network, like your phone, laptop, or server, which is the final recipient of the data. The IP address has two versions, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is the fourth version of the Internet Protocol using 32-bit address, while IPv6 is the sixth version with 128-bit address, offering more address space and improved efficiency. Here are a few differences between IPv4 and IPv6.